So yesterday, I'm scrolling through my feed and witnessed what can only be described as Thai witchcraft. I saw this guy with a tie over his hand like that, and all he did was wrap the small end towards himself, take the big end, and with a bit of a twisty motion like that, he did that, put it around his neck and caught it there, pulled it through, and then a kind of a shimmy, shimmy, shimmy to do the knot, and that was it. Now, obviously, it's ridiculously long, you can sort out the length, but that is probably the quickest tie knot I have ever seen. And then when you take it off, it's self-releasing. I think this might be a game changer of the tie world. I will show you again, but this time more slowly. So we drape the tie over the hand, wrap the small end towards yourself, wrap the tail towards yourself, grab the blade and do that, sort of twisty motion, put it back over the hand, round the neck, catch it on the other side, and bosh. It's as simple as that. Now, okay, it's a very simple knot, it's a very quick knot, but if you're caught in a tie emergency, this might be the very thing that gets you out of a sticky situation. Now, I will show you for a third time, just more slowly this time. Now, you go. Let's take it step by step, because I had to watch this about 16 times to get the technique right. You get this thin end and roll it towards yourself like that. Now the trick for the blade is you approach it with your hand, with your thumb down and away from you, and you grab it at the front and then twist it and loop it over your hand like that. Then grab the tail, round the neck, catch it, pull it, shuggle it, and there you go. Give it a try. Let me know if you manage it first time. I didn't. As I say, it took me about half an hour of pausing, rewinding, and trying to work out what that twist was. Let me know how you get on. Let me know if you like it. Is it a game changer? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you next time. Take care.